Guys, how did you guys sleep? I'm not even going to tell you guys that I'm late again because that's just the story of my life. I don't know why, but I have no makeup on today because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's just, there's a party going on my face today, and I'm like, oh Lord, that would be really stupid to put makeup on, break out. That is ridiculous, and they're hurting so bad. But anyways, I just wanted to say good morning before the chaos start, and before I forget to pick up the camera, and before I'm just thrown into this world of adulthood, because you guys know I'm not an adult. I'm not really an adult. I'm just a child stuck in an adult body, and I'm trying to manage the world, and the world is so big, and it's like okay, all right, that's enough. Yeah, I had enough. So anyways, good morning, people. Good morning, my sunshine. Good morning, beautiful. Feeling like I can just see your beautiful face right now, and it's just like, oh. So good morning to you. If you're going to work, have a good day. Well, you guys are going to see this late, but I mean for the next day. So if you're going to work, have a good day. If you're going to school, have a marvelous day, and make sure you study hard. Jackson, you have anything to say?
Hi.
Hi, just hi, no advice. How did you sleep?
Not good.
Not good? You want to talk to me? No? Okay. You don't want to talk about it? No? You do want to talk about it? Oh, okay. I'm going to go talk to my baby, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Say good morning. Say good morning. You have to say good morning. Yeah. You're not gonna say good morning? Over here messing up my table. You're not gonna say good morning? Say good morning, guys. Say good morning. Morning, guys. Say good morning. So, I'm gonna do Madison's hair. So, this is how I do her hair. This is the first time using this on her hair, and it works good, and the ingredients is okay. It's okay. So I'm gonna just spray this all over her hair, because I used to use this for Destiny's hair for when I wash her hair. So I think I'm gonna use it on a daily basis because it works so well with Madison's hair. So yesterday I was gonna put something in the vlog, but it was just, I felt like it was just too personal, and I didn't really consult with my husband before I decided to share. So I was like, you know what, I don't really want to put too much of our lives, when it comes to our marriage, I don't want to put too much out without his consent. So that's why I didn't share yesterday. What? Okay, I'll go soft, okay? Okay? I'll do it in sections, okay? Okay? So that's what that was yesterday, why I didn't share. So, but if I talk to him today and he decides that, you know, it's okay to share, I will share it with you guys because it was funny. Oh my gosh. Okay, once her hair is detangled, I go ahead and put this oil moisturizer in our hair just to lock in the moisture for the day. So I just use about that much. And I concentrate on her edges and the ends of her hair. It's Maddie's outfit. You want to show them your outfit? Yeah? Say, I'm all beautiful now. No? She's not happy with me, but look how detangled her hair is and just well kept. Anyways. It's too early to be doing that, Maddie. So, today's Thursday. And the kiddos got a field trip. They got a field trip. And they don't have to take lunch because they're gonna have lunch at Chick-fil-A.
Why does she have milk?
Lucky for them. And right, Maddie? Look at her little outfit.
Yeah, I told her.
So I only have to do Jackson's lunch, so I woke up. I didn't wake up late because my husband woke me up this morning.
Why do you have milk?
My husband woke me up this morning, and there's only one reason why he would wake me up at 4 o'clock, 4:45. And this little one slept in her bed all night long. So we are transitioning her from out of our bed because she slept in our bed since she was born. And it feels good. It feels amazing to have my bed back. Like, as an adult woman, married with a man next to you, it's such a different feeling versus when she slept in the bed. It was just like, I don't know, it was different. Now, being in the bed with just my husband is totally different. It's just all the emotions and everything is just like slowly coming back. It just feels like we're much closer, if that makes any sense whatsoever. But yeah, so he's gonna be working until 8 o'clock. So he left at 5 and he won't be home until probably around 9 tonight, so I don't have to cook dinner. Yay! I'm gonna do the Q&A for I think Friday I'm gonna do a Q&A. I went live yesterday for the first time and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so new. So I'm gonna try to do that on a regular basis because I like going live. It's fun to respond to all the questions. Anyways, I'm gonna go make Jackson's lunch. Sit down and eat your breakfast. What's wrong with you? Hey, baby. I need to go wake up Jackson because he's still sleeping. Say hi, guys. Did you show them the little rabbit on your shirt? The little bunny? Did you show them the bunny? Your bunny? Say my bunny. Yeah. What are you doing? What is she doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You don't know? Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna get off of here. Go. Get it, Maddie. Yeah. Yeah. Get it, Maddie. You wanna get down? Yeah. Yes? What's that? Good morning. I see you're up. Yes. What do you want? What do you want to eat? What are you looking for, puppy? A bowl? There's no bowl up in here?
Look at the dishwasher. Look at the dishwasher.
Here.
Thank you.
You're gonna just get some cereal? I'm having a horrible toothache on this side. I don't know why. I woke up and my tooth hurt so bad. It's 7-Eleven. It's so easy to pack lunch for just one child. And I clean up my my kitchen. I still need to do the dishes, but I'll do that later. I don't know what to do with myself. Oh, I'm gonna go do Destiny here. The kids are off to school. Oh, it's raining here. And I haven't had coffee in like a few days. So, I don't know. I want a cup. I'm a boss today. The other day I woke up and you ever had one of those days where let me put you guys up here. So, oh, too high. Too low. Come on. We're having a disaster here, people. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I just wanted one bowl. Okay. Yes, one bowl. I'm gonna put you guys right there. That light in the back always, my house is just weird. So, if I have one of those days, been eating grapes. If I have one of those days where you don't want to put bra on, that's me every day, all day. I don't like to be held down. But the other day I had one of those moments where I'm gonna go eat me some meatballs. I have leftover meatballs from last night. I'm gonna heat that up, and that's what I'm having for breakfast. If I have one of those moments where you're like, what have I done with my life? So the other day, I was on the floor. I'm gonna use this hazelnut. I feel like pumpkin spice, but I'm not in the mood for that. How can you feel like something and not in the mood for it? That makes no sense. But the other day I had one of those moments where I felt like such a failure in life. Like I felt like I could be doing more with my life. And I was like, I need me a little job or something outside of the house. Something that makes me feel like, you know, I'm doing something good in society. Even though, you know, raising my children is something good, because I could be, you know, a mother that don't care about her kids. But then I was like, let me go look for a job. Then reality slapped me again. First reality slapped me into thinking that I'm useless, and then reality slapped me again, like, who's going to take care of your kids? And that's one thing with me is I don't trust nobody. I trust no one with my children. No one. None. I don't even think I would trust Jesus. Well, that was a bit harsh. Sorry, Jesus, I do trust you. But I'm saying, I don't trust anyone on this earth with my children. I've seen so many horror stories where babies are being beat and just in daycare, and I'm just like, I would have to catch a charge because somebody beat my baby. Somebody beat my baby. I'm going to prison. You hear me? I'm going to prison. Forget that. Forget all of that. I'm going to prison and you going in the ground, okay? You ain't about to go to prison and benefit from my husband hard to earn money for beating our child. You crazy. So reality, yes baby, So reality, I'm using these little caramel macchiato delight. So reality slapped me in the face. But like, Maddie's only, she's not even 2 yet. She'll be 2 next month. And I don't want nobody mistreating her. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to be feeling worthless for the next 1.5 years, because that's when she start going to school. Probably 2 years. Because I can't afford for nobody to beat my baby. And none of my children have ever been in daycare. None. And my oldest, they will be 12 next month. And yeah. I will stay my butt back here and take care of mine, because I was the one that went and got them. So yeah, that's all I wanted to talk to y'all about. You don't even know what you want. What do you want? You're so cute. I'm gonna go detangle her hair. You gonna take him out?
Yep.
Hi, Gigi. Hi, how's school?
Good. I did homework first.
Yeah. Look at how Maddie made a mess. This is Maddie's world. Is that your world, Mommy? Yeah? Are you gonna clean it up? Say, I'm not cleaning it up. My bubbies are.
Not me.
So, I didn't vlog all day today because I have a headache and my tooth, this side of my face hurts really bad. So, I don't have to cook today. Yay, me.
Hi.
Daddy talking to you to the cameras again.
Hi.
I don't have to cook today because hubby's not coming home until late.
Hi.
So, I'm excited about that, but I still have to do homework. Jaxson has a sign test tomorrow. He has memory verse quiz, and he has spelling. And his reading log is due, so. What's the matter? Maddie, come on. You don't need to go out there. No, you don't need to. No. 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 You want Pawpaw? You want Pawpaw? Hmm? No, stand up. No. Okay, hold on. Come here. Time out. Time out. You need time out. What's the matter? Okay. Time out. Yeah, you need time out. You need to take a break. Anyways, so we just got through the door. We just got. Shh. Shh. I think. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is that? Oh my. Where is it? Oh my gosh.
Oh,
What is that?
moth.
A moth?
Yeah.
That thing looks bigger than me.
It's bigger than the pot.
I'm getting ready to leave this house.
I know, dude.
Why does it want to come in here when my husband is not here? Oh my gosh.
It looks like a fake animal.
Oh my gosh. So, yeah, I was thinking, I've been trying to find YouTubers to watch, like, you know, a few YouTubers that I used to watch. They don't daily vlog like they used to anymore. So I've been trying to find like really authentic YouTubers to watch, but I can't find any. There's one Jamaican girl that I used to watch, and I used to love her so much, but then her channel got, I don't know, it's just weird. You know, I was watching a few vlogs of hers earlier, and I'm like, what the heck? It's just weird. It's just, you can never tell what's true from what's, you know, fake. And it's just like, I'm just like, let me just stay away from that, because I don't have time for that. And then I found another one, and it's just like, her whole storyline is her boyfriend disrespecting her, and I'm just like, I can't watch another man be disrespectful. It's one thing to have a disagreement, but when it crosses the line into disrespect, and it's just like, whoa there, honey, whoa there. Sure. And that's the thing though, you know, with Marcelo and I can't say Marcelo have ever disrespected me. No, never. And that's an important thing. That's an important thing in life. If you find a person and they are disrespectful to you, that's a sign that you need to go. It's not a sign, oh, we've been through. No, someone that disrespects you will never ever learn to respect you. So that's one thing I know. So even with my kids, in terms of, because a lot of people think my children are so calm and stuff, but I give my husband credit, because whenever time I'm speaking to the children, he's in the background saying either yes ma'am or yes mommy or you didn't hear your mom or all of that. So I don't have to get on them because my husband is always in the background ensuring that they respect me as their mother. So I can't. And then that's the thing, you can't raise disrespectful children. So it goes back to a mother. As a mother, you need to be doing your job, you know. Can't be laughing at little things that they do and think, oh, it's just cute. No, it's not cute. You need to correct it from an early age, because when they're much older, like the saying goes, you can't break a tree when it's old. You have to mold it when it's young. And there's way too much conversation going on. So you either need to get your reading log going, your memory verse, and your spelling. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Okay. Here you go. Start. Do your math. Finish your math, then your reading, and then we're going to work on spelling and memory verse. Okay? Don't act brand new, please. Jason and Jordan, hop on the chores immediately. So anyways, like I was saying before I was interrupted by my children, it's important as mothers to, you know, assert your role. And not everything children do or does is cute, you know. It's cute in that moment, but when they get older, it's not cute. Not cute. And you know, I feel sorry for most mothers I see in the grocery store with their kids having a meltdown. Sometimes it's just a child being, you know, overtired or just cranky, and sometimes it just falls back on you as you're not doing a good job as a parent at home. You know, you have some parent come out and try to parent the child in the store. No, that's when the child will really embarrass you, because they're going to let you know that you don't do this at home. So you're not going to come up in here in no grocery store and try to parent me when you don't do it at home. You know what I mean? So you have to parent your kids at home. And then you are able to take them out in public and be proud. And people can say, hey, you're doing a wonderful job, or your kids are so well behaved, which is a compliment I get a lot. So I don't mean to toot my own horn, but I get that compliment a lot, and I'm looking at them like, children don't behave this way on a regular basis. And I don't have to beat my kids. I don't have to beat my kids for them to act a certain way. It's just that it was instilled in them from an early age that, one, you're going to respect me as your mother, and two, when we go out in public, it's not the place for you to act a fool. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go. I have lessons to teach and memory verses to go over, and spelling and vocabs. The older kids have vocabulary test tomorrow. I'm happy I don't have to cook dinner because, oh, I'm so stressed out right now. So stressed out. Yeah. So anyways, guys, this Vlogtober is draining me. Like, anyways, guys, I've been talking for 8 minutes. I gotta go, guys. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.